In this video, I'm going to show you how to do paper trading in GoCharting. So the first thing you want to do, you want to come to one of the charts on GoCharting.com, and then over here, the first thing you want to do, go down here at the very bottom where it says account, and then when this opens up, make sure you actually select over here where you can see the drop-down menu, click on GoCharting Sim browser or the one where it says server. So we usually use the browser one, and this is basically a simulator, so basically this is paper trading. Now over here, whenever you go to balance, it's not going to say you have any balance. So of course, whenever you place some orders, you're going to see your balance over here. So this is my current balance, but whenever you don't have any orders yet, there won't be nothing to show over here. So you can then go ahead and select your chart, whatever you want to trade, and then click on the trade panel down here. This is going to pop up on your screen like this. And then over here, you simply want to basically select how much you'd like to buy. If you want to buy limit, market, stop limit, whatever you want to do, this is completely up to you. And then whenever you're ready, just click on buy down here at the bottom, and your order will be fulfilled. And as you can see, it's going to basically buy that very specific token or thing you tried to buy. And if you go to balance, it's going to show the balance over here as well. Now, of course, whenever you go in here, you can select whatever you want to select, and then whenever you are ready, you can just sell it. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.